but I'm going to be showing you guys. Yo, what's going on, guys? Canadian Vapor back on the mic. But anyways, you guys, so I just filmed the comparison on this and the TFV12. I literally just got done like 5 seconds ago, and I had a heart and a heart with you guys. So if you guys did enjoy that video, and smash the like button on there. So I'm going to be editing both of these tonight, so I hope I have daily videos for 2 days at least. I know a lot of people do get flooded coils, and the simplest, like easiest way to do it is just buy new coils, but I'm going to be showing you guys exactly what to do when your coil floods and you don't want to go spend $10 or whatever it is where you live on a new coil, because at the start of my last video my coil was flooded, and I do get it a lot because I do have quite a few tanks that just kick around. So I'm just going to fill this one up a little bit, and I'm going to show you guys exactly. So like I said, easiest way, just go buy a new coil. But if you're at home or you're on a vacation and you can't buy a new coil, this is going to be the perfect way to fix a flooded coil. Now, I'm going to be really messy after this, so maybe I should wipe it somewhere. Wipe it on the pants. Okay, we're gonna stain these pants for this video, so hopefully I get enough revenue to buy these because they're $80 sweats. But anyways, so I'm gonna show you guys exactly what a flooded coil sounds like. I'm gonna put it right up to here. So you guys technically should be able to hear that. What it sounds like is just like gurgling in the juice. Is pretty well just gurgling in the coil, which means your coil's been sitting so long with juice in it, it just saturates too much for the cotton that can't hold it, and it just sits there. So when you hit it, it spits juice. It sucks because juice gets hot when you're vaping it, and it will spill on you or go in the back of your throat, which completely sucks, and it feels like you're gonna puke, and especially if you have high nicotine, that's not good to go in you. So one more time. Now the easiest way to fix this problem would be you can either vape it at higher watts and burn that extra juice, but like I said, it's going to spill into your mouth or spill in your clothes, and I already spilt it on my clothes, so I don't know what I'm going to do for this video, but I know exactly how to fix this, and it happens all the time. I've had it happen to new coils, I've had it happen to month-old coils that just been sitting there that I don't use these tanks. So what will happen is you'll make a complete mess, you drip it all over yourself. It kind of sucks, right? You hit it, goes to the back of your throat, but these like. So let's dive deep into this. So what we're gonna have to do here is turn the watts up a bit. Okay, I'm gonna have to plug this vape in because I left my charger in the city. Plug the vape in. What you want to do, there's three methods that you can try doing, okay? And if these don't work, I'm sorry, I can't really do anything about it besides you taking your coil out and like blowing it out or something, or buying a new coil. So these are my tips to you guys on how to fix flooded coils. So what you're going to do is turn the watts up and blow straight into your tank while you're firing it, like this. Now don't point it at yourself, because if you're wearing white like me, it's going to stain your clothes. So kind of point the airflow away from you, somewhere where it's not going to stain or get on your arms while it's hot. Okay, so I do see juice on my vape, which is a good sign. That means you're getting most of the juice out. But the valerian is super deep under the coil, so a lot of it will sit under there. So if you tip it over, juice is going to come out. So I don't really want to make a big mess today. But I'm going to go ahead and hit it right now and see if it's cleared. So I pretty well cleared it. So that is like the quickest way to do it. Now the next way would be to, I'm gonna flood the coil just for you guys so you know exactly what to do. I'm just gonna straight drop it down the middle. Okay. Now it's really flooded, okay? Listen. Oh. It's really, really flooded right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit it. So juice just got into the back of my throat and spit on my lip and it burnt. So that kind of sucks. Now, I know if I blow out, it's gonna clear. But another way you can do it is tip it on its side, okay? Now, don't really go near it. Okay, you see this? Juice is now coming out the bottom and onto the carpet, which is a brand new carpet, so whatever. So now what you're gonna do is you can either hold the button and hit it, or just go. And then hit it. Now that was the cleanest hit I've had out of this tank all day. Now it's not gonna work because my battery is dead. So I'll listen to this. Listen. So it's still a little bit flooded. Now the last step, what I can tell you guys exactly how to do, but I don't have Kleenex around, is tip. I'm gonna unplug my vape. I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, so tip your vape completely upside down. Wrap Kleenex, paper towel, toilet paper around this, and all you're gonna do is go. Okay, you're just gonna blow straight into the coil, or straight into your vape, upside down with something wrapped around it that can catch all the juice. Now that is literally how you're gonna clean out your coil completely. Like that's, if not, yeah, see I got juice everywhere. That's if, this sucks. That's if nothing's gonna work for you, you know, the straight up and down one, just blowing out before you hit it. If that doesn't work, if the sideways one doesn't work, take it upside down, wrap something around it and clean it. You know, it's a messy way if you're on the go or something, but that will definitely unflood your coil super, super easily, and it's super quick. But that's like my last resurrection to it. If my coil's not unflooding, I just tip it upside down and completely blow into it, and it completely fixes it super fast. But yeah, I hope that helped you guys out a lot. This is my second video on the same day, so I'm really tired. I'm gonna edit and go to bed. So I hope this helped you guys out. If it did, drop a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any more questions about flooded coils, or if you want me to make another how to fix for free video. Just comment that down below. I hope this did help you. If it did, I think I deserve a subscribe from you guys, right? Drop a thumbs up, share with your friends if this helped you out, and I'll be back with another video in a couple days when I figure out another video idea. Keep supporting me, guys. I see you guys out there. Follow my Instagram, my Twitter, everything down in the description. I love you guys all. Yeah, I don't know what else to say, but I hope this worked for you guys. Peace out.